Lex. Where's Lex? Ayun. Check this out. This is by Fernando Marsolo. But parang painting on painting. I didn't know they also reuse canvas. Kasi ako, I feel bad when I have to reuse canvas. But he actually did. Oh. So, normal lang pala yun. Yan, no? Kita mo. He reused it. Pangit nga lang kasi mahahalata. Oo. Aha! Ganun kasi pag medyo ayaw ko na nitong painting na to, I'll cover it up and then... Ito rin, no? Merong ano. Marsolo. What's this, Manilu? What's this? Oh. What's on the end? Ayan, oh, picture. Sige.
Akala ko sa...
Hindi, I'm capturing you. Game. Picture, the three of you. Okay. Lexi muna. Okay, dalawa na. Okay. Yeah, Bea. Ganda kasi walang tao. Parang Picasso, no? Yung style. Huh? How many men are there? Okay. Let's go. Dito na muna tayo sa right side. We're at National Museum of Fine Arts. Okay. Ito, another Baroque. So, kaya ko ganyan. You know what I've been doing? Whenever I see mga Japanese surplus or yung mga Goodwill, I try to check out frames, old frames, antique frames, and buy them for cheaper cost. And then, I put my painting there. Kasi mas nagmumukhang Oo. Tsaka expensive. Nagmumukhang expensive. Yung mga ganyang frame. Tiniest art piece. Very tiny. Naman ko. I mean, some of the personalities. Ito. Fabian Bell. This is Dolphy by Federico Aguilar Cuas. James Barbers. Antonio Aragon. Andile. And I believe this looks like Ferdinand Marcos. Huy, kasi. Alcoas. Ito yung sabi mo kasi on fabric. Yeah. Wow. Very nice. Huh? Oh. Didn't see that. Uy, what's in here? Another big painting.
Kasama ko yung friends ko na nandun. Tapos
Field trip.
Opo. At kami lang, mga friends ko kasi malapit
Ah,
sila.
oo.
Kami, tapos pinicturean kami nung nasa top.
Oo,
Kasi
ay,
nasa
ganito
top,
yun.
pinicturean din namin. Tapos nag-exit na ako.
Yung we're at the second floor of the Building of Fine Arts, National Museum. Okay. That's really true. Kasaysayan na Manila. Kunyag ng mga Pilipino sa daloy ng kasaysayan. Painted by Carlos Francisco. Yata si Carlos Botong Francisco. Yo. Nice, right? Huh? You do not touch them, but you can capture them. Wow, ganda naman. Who made it? Unknown artist. Okay, I'll admit it. It's mine. It's mine. For a church siguro talaga yan. Ano, altar ng church. Okay, Magellan pala to. Guys, Loco, Cassie. It's Ferdinand Magellan's ano, whistling kettle. Alin? With a small, ano? Tama raw? Ganda. I love this. I love that on my house. Nasa na.
Yung sa ano,
Si, ano, maganda. Si Malakas at si Maganda.
yung sa isang
Let's see what's the title. Malakas at Maganda nga. Malakas at Taos Kalabaw. Who made it? Alcantara. Ganda. Maria Makiling. Ito pala, Maria Makiling naman. Maria Makiling. Tapos panugtog. Galing niya.